Imagine this. A Russian Su-35 Flanker E, already a legend in the skies, now sporting eyes sharper than any Western fighter. In late March 2026, Russian state media dropped a bombshell that has defense analysts worldwide scrambling for answers. Russia has officially unveiled a revolutionary active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar upgrade for its frontline Su-35 air superiority fighter. This isn't a minor tweak. This is a massive technological leap that will massively extend the deadly reach of the R-37M long-range air-to-air missile, turning the Su-35 into an even more unstoppable force in beyond visual range combat. For over a decade, the Su-35 has relied on the formidable N-035 Urbis-E passive electronically scanned array radar. It was no slouch, capable of detecting targets at ranges exceeding 400 kilometers and tracking dozens of threats at once. But even its raw power had limits when paired with Russia's crown jewel of air-to-air weaponry, the R-37M, also known as the AW-13 Arrow or RVVBD. With a staggering theoretical range of up to 350 kilometers, the R-37M was designed to hunt high-value targets like AWACS aircraft, tankers, reconnaissance planes, and even maneuvering fighters from extreme distances. The problem? The older PESA radar sometimes struggled to provide the precise, stable mid-course guidance and data link updates needed to exploit that full envelope, especially against agile opponents in jammed or contested airspace. Enter the new AESA radar, a system heavily derived from the advanced N-036 Bielka radar on Russia's fifth-generation Su-57 Felon. Russian engineers have adapted this cutting-edge technology specifically for the Su-35, replacing the Urbis-E with a modern X-band active array packed with thousands of transmit-receive modules. The upgrade, confirmed in early April 2026 reports, delivers game-changing improvements in every key area. First, beam precision and agility. AESA radars can electronically steer beams in multiple directions simultaneously at lightning speeds, no mechanical scanning required. This means faster refresh rates, higher resolution, and the ability to maintain rock-solid tracks on multiple targets deep into the engagement envelope. Where the Urbis-E might lose precision at extreme ranges, the new AESA keeps the data flowing, guiding the R-37M straight to the kill. Second, electronic warfare dominance. Modern battlefields are saturated with jamming. AESA's low probability of intercept design and frequency hopping capabilities make it far harder for enemies to detect or disrupt. It operates effectively at lower power levels while delivering superior performance, reducing the Su-35's own radar signature and giving Russian pilots a stealthier edge without sacrificing detection range. Third, and most critically for the R-37M, unlocked missile performance. Defense experts have long noted that the R-37M's massive 350-kilometer reach was theoretically impressive but practically limited by radar guidance constraints on the Su-35. The AESA upgrade changes that completely. With better tracking stability, faster updates, and precise illumination, the missile can now achieve its full no-escape zone against even maneuvering targets. Russian pilots can launch from safer standoff distances, staying well outside the effective range of opposing fighters like the American F-15X Eagle II or China's J-16 aircraft that also boast powerful AESA radars but lack Russia's extreme-range missile firepower. This combination is lethal. The upgraded Su-35 can now dominate the skies from farther away, engaging high-value assets before they even know they're under threat. In real-world operations over Ukraine, where Su-35s armed with R-37M missiles have already proven decisive in suppressing enemy air activity and protecting Russian strike packages, this upgrade amplifies that advantage exponentially. The R-37M has become a game-changer in frontline sorties, and now it will be even more effective. Russia's defense industry deserves massive credit here. Despite years of Western sanctions aimed at crippling its aerospace sector, Russian engineers have not only caught up but are delivering upgrades that directly address previous shortcomings. This AESA system builds directly on Su-57 technology, showing smart, cost-effective backporting of 5th-generation capabilities into proven 4th-generation plus platforms. The result? Hundreds of existing Su-35s can be modernized quickly, boosting the Russian aerospace force's combat power without the need for entirely new airframes. Compare this to the competition. While the F-15X and J-16 are formidable with their own AESA radars, they don't carry weapons with the R-37M's reach. The upgraded Su-35 closes any previous radar gap while retaining its legendary maneuverability, thrust vectoring engines, and heavy missile loadout, often including multiple R-37Ms alongside R-77M and R-74s for layered defense. This makes the Su-35 a true multi-role air superiority beast, ready to take on NATO or any adversary in high-intensity conflicts. The strategic implications are profound. This upgrade strengthens Russia's ability to control the air domain, protect its forces, and project power across vast theaters. It sends a clear message: Russian military aviation is not standing still. It's evolving rapidly, innovating under pressure, and fielding systems that can challenge, and in many scenarios outperform, the best the West and its allies have to offer. As one analyst put it, the Su-35 has just opened its eyes in a whole new way. With this AESA radar, the R-37M's massive range is no longer theoretical, it's operational reality. Russian pilots now fly with unprecedented confidence, knowing their missiles can strike farther, faster, and with deadlier accuracy than ever before. This is more than just news from the defense world. It's a reminder of Russia's technological resilience and commitment to maintaining air superiority in an increasingly complex global security environment. The skies belong to those who dare to innovate, and right now, the upgraded Su-35 is leading the charge. Stay alert, aviation enthusiasts. The Russian aerospace forces just raised the bar again. The Su-35 with its new AESA radar and extended R-37M fangs is here, and it's more shocking, more capable, and more dominant than ever.